Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix withdrawal pending in Etoro. So for this specific problem, there could be two sides that could cause it. First side is Etoro side. So the problem could be simply from their side. So what you will need to do is to check their status. So go to the status.etoro.com to check if the servers that Etoro owns has any problems. So you can here view all the functionality of their servers and see if they are functioning well. And here you can see like portfolio, feed, charts, and here anything that is related, for example, to payments from withdrawal, credit card, PayPal, wire transfer, etc. So if the problem was caused by Etoro, you're going to find that the problem is going to be from here, and you simply don't have any other choice but to wait for them to do the maintenance and to fix the issue. Now, if it wasn't from here, then it should be from your side. Now, there is also another thing, which is that could be that you have chosen the bank transfer method, which could take few days before you receive the money. But overall, if you try to get your money out of Etoro and you still for example, didn't add your credit card or information, then this message should be appearing to you. Other than that, also when you try to withdraw money, make sure that you have enough funds in your account. As you can see here, I have 0. So when I try to withdraw money, of course that will show you that message. So make sure to have the amount, and basically the minimum withdrawal amount is $30. So if you don't have $30, that message will be shown to you as well, since you don't have the requirement, which is the minimum requirements to withdraw, which is $30. So make sure you have all of that, and once you have that, the problem should be fixed. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and a beautiful comment in the comment section, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.